Hi everyone, this is KJvo Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito reaction video, ang live performance. Actually, live performance ni Maymay sa Wish USA ba? So wait lang, kailan nag-US si Maymay? Kailan siya nag-US? Nakalimutan ko na. May show ba sila sa US lately? Parang hindi ako sure na nagpunta si Maymay ng US or wala akong balita kasi always naman siyang present sa ASAP or maybe because hindi pa na-release sa Pilipinas itong Paradise na kanta. Inuna na nilang i-launch to or una nila tong ikinanta sa Wish USA tapos late na lang in-upload. What do you think? So this is a live performance, live vocal prowess, live vocals of Maymay Entrata in Wish USA Bass, which is Paradise. I really love Maymay. Dear, dear, tama na nanonood ako ng PBB. Basta mga Bisaya talaga. I really love mga Bisaya kasi they are so funny and innocent talaga. Si Shubi ngayon, parang siyang si Maymay and Melay. Totoo lang. So I won't take any longer. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video. Maymay Entrata performs Paradise live on the Wish USA Bus. So without further ado, let's start this. G. Live.
107.5.
Baby, I was staying up late thinking I'm crazy. I trying to find a blue sky and you then maybe all the love that we had isn't worth saving. For so long I've been holding
Okay.
onto someone who says deep down I'm broken, onto someone who's got my heart wide open. I know you thought that I forget every tear I cry, forgive you for
Ganda ng escalation.
what does it feel like?
Tunog international talaga siya. We cannot deny the fact that Maymay is something like the star of my mind. Nag-aalay na talaga siya sa tunog international. Sa totoo lang. The rhythm and beat of this song, plus alam mo yon parang alam mo yung hindi upbeat ang kanta pero hindi siya hinihingal. Walang difficulty of breathing, walang gano'n to think that this is a live performance, dear. Live vocals ito ni Maymay. I'm sorry, nasa 30 seconds pa lang tayo or more than 30 seconds binalik ko siya. Kasi ayoko maputol ang momentum. Gusto ko tuloy-tuloy. Gets niyo ba yun? Anyways.
For so long I've been holding onto someone who says deep down I'm broken, onto someone who's got my heart wide open. I know you thought that I forget every tear I cry, forgive you for all my love. So what does it feel like?
Okay.
Every time it burns
Yes.
is it all of the things you said and screaming inside your head when you could love me right? What does it feel like?
Okay.
Every time the paradise, if only you always knew I was the sun to you, we wouldn't have to say goodbye to paradise.
Ganda ng soft tone niya dun, ha? Listen.
Saying it's easy 'cause it isn't.
Tsaka tingnan niyo, kung kumakanta siya, chill lang talaga siya, no? Parang alam mo yung wala kang nakikita. Wala, chill lang siya. Hindi yung ma-effort na and everything. Though ang kinakanta niya kanina sa chorus, medyo mataas na yun ha, and mahirap yun. Aminin mo natin, yes, indeed, singer si Maymay, pero hindi talaga yung pro na katulad kay Marasit Amon, kay Naklang na focus lang talaga sa singing. Si Maymay kasi, the versatility of Maymay, may dance siya, may sumasayaw siya, may kumakanta siya, may nag-a-act siya. So basically, parang hindi talaga siya nakafocus sa singing. Pero ang hirap nun kasi nakaupo ka, and at the same time, hinihit mo yung chorus. Tingnan mo yung mata niya. Parang, tingnan mo ang mata niya dyan, parang tells us a story na parang, di ba na ano yung lolo niya sa loob sa'yo ng bahay, ni Kuya? Siguro feeling ko ang kwento nito na kung nakikita mo lang lolo kung asan man ako ngayon, sana proud ka sa akin, right? The paradise.
I'm not saying it's easy 'cause it isn't. Letting go of the life that I envision, watching all the memories fade into the distance. It's killing me, yeah, 'cause I really wanted to believe in the dream.
Yan, no? Upbeat na yan dyan eh.
coming true, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Forget every tear I cry, forgive you for
Focus na focus siya, mami. Paradise. Ganda naman nun, Mai. Ang ganda naman nun. Alright. There you go, guys. It is our for today's video from My Entrata. Okay, my thoughts and opinions here are perfect. Hindi siya katulad ng music video ang version niya. If I'm not mistaken na medyo upbeat, ito medyo chill lang siya. Pero naririnig mo pa din yung beat ng kanta, naririnig mo pa din yung rhythm ng kanta. And ang gustong-gusto ko dito, yung mata talaga ni Maymay. Kitang-kita mo talaga ang mata ni Maymay dito. Mapungay na mata niya, pero ang kinakanta, can you just imagine, mapungay ang mata niya, pero ang kinakanta niya, upbeat song. Diba? Parang there is a lot of storytelling me about the facial expression and emotions of Maymay na ini-invest na dito sa kanta. Ang daming istorya na pumapasok sa utak ko na kung iisa-isahin natin, parang it brings, parang for me something like ang emotion niya dito, parang bumabalik yung mga nakaraan niya. Yun lang yung nakikita ko sa mga mata niya eh. Anyways, ganda ng pagkakapikit niya dito oh. Wait lang, malulubat ako, sorry.
Watching all the memories fade into the distance. It's killing me, yeah. 'Cause I really wanted to believe in the dream of you, but it's never coming true.
Okay. Yeah. Anyways, there you go guys. That is over for today's video. Our My Entrata. Yun yung maganda yung part na yun doon. This is KG Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!